Guys, have you seen my post yet? So, I'm gonna explain. So, my rooster named Lunar got attacked by this dog. I wasn't there when it happened, I was still asleep. So then my grandpa woke me up and told me. So, I'm gonna tell you the story. So, first of all, we had like 5 chickens before. Like, 2 of them died by some kind of animal that we still don't know. I was at school at this time. And when my mom broke the news to me, I was so sad. It killed 2 of my favorites, Twilight and Sunshine. And the other one was lost. And when I came back in the evening, I saw it right next to the chicken coop. But then some day before that, I'm pretty sure that he was there when we got 6 of the chicks here. So I can't find out. I'm just guessing that she died way before that. So there was only Lunar, which was the rooster, and Solar. Then my aunt got my brother 6 more chicks. And then when they all grew up, we put them with the rooster with Lunar and Solar. And someday after that, one of them, like they all were out of the chicken coop. When we put them back in, there was only 5 of the chicks. And I'm pretty sure a little bit before that, we saw like some of the remains of that chick. Well, I wasn't there. And then I'm pretty sure that one of them I'm pretty sure that 2 of them got killed as well. And then one of them like died from an illness. So then we gave Solar and the 2 chicks to my friend Bracken, to my mom's friend and Amber's friend Bracken. Bracken had to give away both of the chicks because they were actually roosters. And here we are now. My rooster Lunar got attacked. I think that the thing that attacked Lunar, the dog, might have been the one who killed the chicks. And Sunshine, Eclipse, and Twilight. Thankfully that the cats are okay though. Yeah, Calypso and Nebula are okay. I'll give you more info about them later. I hope this is enough information. I'm gonna tell you things about me though. I am female, and I do have a brother who usually plays the games. I really want to play with him, but I have to be busy recording. I might be able, I'm not saying that I could or could not, be able to show you me gameplay in Pokemon Violet, if that makes you feel any better. So, bye.